Selamat datang ke BlueScope Kapar.
We have just brought in and successfully installed and commissioned the RTO, which stands for Regenerative Thermal Oxidizer. Is the equipment that uses waste gas from our paint curing process in our coil painting line, which then from this waste gas it will generate heat, which we refunnel back to the oven curing process, and this helps to reduce significantly the energy required to sustain paint curing process in our coil painting line. Yeah, so this is the RTO equipment where we have the 3-chamber setup, where each of the chamber would actually treat the waste gas to get heat from it. So we measure the flow rate of each of the chamber, and we monitor it every day, and ensuring that the heat from each of the chamber is directed back to the oven to sustain the curing process to run the line. Apart from better to the environment, it helps to improve our cost of operation cost. Yeah, we are doing a video to see the RTO. Yes, yeah, the HMI for that. So these are the 3 chambers.
Yes. These the 3 chamber. This is the prime oven exhaust. This is the finishing oven exhaust. Then will be some drive through of this fan and all the way going to the RTO.
We're actually able to reduce significant carbon emission rate that we have seen. Is about 5%, and also the usage of liquefied natural gas by as much as 40 to 50% for CPL line, which is very, very significant.